Hi guys, today we're gonna make this and a tiny Maya bird. Let's make one. First you need a little paper, brown paper. Stack. Speed up. You can use some any paper. And this. Fire Then flip. Then like this, everyone. Then flip again. Then like this. Then also when you do this and then like that, it's a bit complicated. It's like this, and then see, you have to. If you wanted to slow down, just slow down like this. Take up this, do this, then do this, and you know what I'm doing though. Speed up. Like this. Then then you do like this. Then do the each side also. Bruh, I use the other side and do like this. Like this, everyone. But it's not yet done yet. Must be like this. And it must be like this. Then remove. Then go flip the other side like this. Then also like this. Then also do this. Draw an eye here. Bye guys.